Following the successful conclusion of the inaugural session at the Council Bhavan, the newly formed leadership of the TTAADC met with the Governor Indra, Sena, Reddy, Nallu at the Lok Bhavan on Tuesday evening. The delegation included CEM Runiel Debbarma, Chairman Bhabharanjan Reang, Executive Member C.K. Jamatia, and was accompanied by MLA Ranjit Debbarma. During the formal visit at the Lok Bhavan, the Governor facilitated the newly appointed MDCs, offering his congratulations on their appointments. 2018 Seminar Tripura Hasani political landscape selajari thangmani hasteni joto tongko songlukurok nugimanka aba hakino chung nugimanu Tripura motha as an NGO puila bobagra Reddy Manika Debbarma bo sak baitang Chini habobagra sak baitang bo Tripura motha as an NGO ni puila form unka abun yaglono Tripura ni political landscape change mane no nugui tongoino Tripura sarok ni Khorang ngi basana baganyo Tripura motha ni party ni bobagra sak baitang declare khlairika abun yaglono aba hakino 2021 no first TTAADC general election borok contest khlaino Tripura motha maximum number of seats bo borok G2A victory ingi borok 2021 no hafonga so mani ab joto hasan lukorok saimano oba hakina for the second consecutive times Tripura motha this time behind Tripura TTAADC hapongo tewishak sarkar asugnan thangka ba asugui no tongka jeng nugi mano thanai joto no siu haste gnangai political campaign khalemen jeng thanai 12 April ni sekang no 12 April lo election angka 16 no re-election angka abuni yaglo 17 no je counting paimani yaglo no hanyo TTAADC ni election no Tripura motha landslide victory mani 28 seats ni bisingo 24 seats mani Tripura motha tewisha edise hapong achuk mani obahikino mia thanayo sungnugi manka bobagra sakbai thang sak hamya phano bini belaino severe health issues tongmani bagai bo Tripura hasteo naijak mani yaglon tau fatar hasteo thangaine bini sakno kaham khanya bagai Tripura hasin joto tongo songlukurang surima bai bobagra tarakter hamai tongo obagina chungmia bo hospital bed tongtuino Tripura TTAADC joto elected MDCs 24 MDCs talk by virtually bo meeting khlaike o jande pale saika bachi noyongma ajaga wono obaga saklaiman yaglon bobagra announce khlairika 3 MDCs rock no nominate appoint khanya ni bagai jing miao nugiman ka CEM chairman of the council tai EM correctional borok appoint khlaijaka EM chini chongjaka CK Jamatia who is also the former CEO of TTAADC tai former IAS officer bono executive member ni appoint khlaike chairman chongjaka Bhabharanjan Reang MDC Bhabharanjan Reang no chairman ni chongjaka council ni aba hakino the most awaiting time of no taikunia je ketal TTAADC CEM sabu ungnai ni jotto na khau chonglai Tripura solokor nai changlai tongmani obahakino bobagra sakbai thang decide khakia tai jotto MDC stock ni agreement bai no TTAADC ni ketal CEM bomung chongjaka MDC Runiel Debbarma belaino tam sana youth rock ni bag bus nozoro belaino energetic tam gangke chung nui mano tabuni generation angka Gen Z generation hai ke ba youth ni belaino contribution tongo joto filo politics so handi social society o handi joto jaga handi awon bagi ketal CEM koraksa youth ni generation ni borok no manai Tripura hasan joto tongko songlo korok khatong tholai jak obahakino tini je tinjona appoint khajimani yaglono tini jora nibisungo mia saklaima haikino khumulungo aro jagao tini first assembly session inka first council session inka TTAADC o aro jagao sunugiman ka ketal chairman Bhabharanjan Reang no bini achuk thayo achuk rakha obakina ketal CEM Runiel Debbarma bo sung bobai sung tini khumulungo thangi bo kok salake bini first step CEM umani pore bini first developmental steps ta mongnai abrongti bo saiknarka bo puila water facilities tai health tai education infrastructure no develop khanyan bagai bo saiknarka oba hakino tini je khumulungo meeting paimani aba council session paimani yaglono tabuk TTAADC 24 MDCs including CEM EM the chairman 5 sok pajak aning kulo nugiman khana Lok Bhavan haikwa Raj Bhavan ni pula sini jakmani tabuk Lok Bhavan no puilani TTAADC ni katal hapanga achukmani session paimani yaglono TTAADC 24 MDC sok 5 sok pajak Agartala ni Lok Bhavan no oro jagat tabuk je governor Indra Sena Reddy Nallu bai malanya ni bage sung saimono tini je session paimani pore khana tewaisa khumulung noi holo ara jagawo tewaisa oath ceremony haike samai tangmani panda aba haike na thangai tong officially tai the remaining MDCs tai sabha sabono EM khaijana thangoi tong abong gangkai buskang ni je chongmari hai ke ba village council election paimani yagulo si tai remaining je MDCs tongmarok sabono EM post or sabna executive members ni post or department bagjang abosang village council election man pore saimane finding ke tabuk sing Lok Bhavan faisok pajak or jotto MDCs sok faisok pajak borok bai bosang jora man ke tomono jora man sang kok sang sai tong nai hain bagi nor Chini Khorang bai choiwe kereng nai tong. The meeting served as a bridge between the state's constitutional head and the council's executive body, emphasizing a collaborative approach to the administration of the 6 scheduled areas. In a post-meeting media interaction, CEM Runiel Debbarma laid out a clear roadmap for the council's upcoming tenure. He emphasized that the new administration would prioritize 3 core pillars: education, healthcare, and water infrastructure. Reflecting on the previous administration's tenure, CEM Debbarma stated that his team is committed to delivering superior governance by learning from the experiences of the past 5 years.
Tini o sarik jorabo Sini Honorable Governor of Tripura by Singjoto MDC Sini Tini Chongjangnai Sini Bhabharanjan Chairman sir Tai Sini Honorable MLA sir Sini Sir Ranjit Debbarma Tai joto MDC rok tini phai sing malai pheke tini malai mani bisingti sing bono saikna rakaje tini Sini TTAADC Council Chairman tai CEM ni election nangka ebong oro je bina protinonditai Chairman tai CEM je chongjangmani okogrok salaike sing ebong khana je Sini CEM tai EM khoraksani je vote taking nai ungna thangtong oro bono khobor boruti hini singtini courtesy meeting khai beke bobai ebong kaham adha ghonta ringpor singbobe kaham ke kok salaike ebong bo jehetu kaisa law secretary no appoint khairika oko hisabe swearing vote taking ni bagi bo omo next time bo singno visit khainai headquarter TTAADC headquarter ro din salsa pura bo Sini khumulung headquarter phai bo singbai malai pine Sini TTAADC headquarter joto officer we malai nai ebong jota adong bai bo taisa prumalai kaham hamia kok salaine hini bo saka te kaise bo omo bo kogreka bo Sini headquarter visit khaimani yagulo bibinno je Sini je khutinati tongmani je fund issue tai je gobangma je koekta pahar elaka onchol rogo je lama tui ni problem je school rogo education ni je problem tongmani omoti kaham ke kok salaine ebong bo omo bo kogreka je bo sigrin খুব তাড়াতাড়ি bo o elaka rogo bo dolai hindi north hindi south hindi je durgom elaka bo thangi singbe baksage visit khani hini o 2-3 mas missing om bo singme kogreka ebong kaham no meeting khatini osam
Sir, the promoter second consecutive times tabu tawisa hapanga somani 5 bos lai thanga tabu bahai new step to buitong ka development lukong ni bani
naidi sing যে বিগত 5 বছর যে ক্লাইমে আংমানি তাকলাইও 5 বছর ক্লাইনে এবং বিগত 5 বছর সিং TTAADC হাপঙ্গা ত্রিপুরা পার্টি আসুগি সিং অনেক কিছু এক্সপিরিয়েন্স সিংখা অনেক কিছু খুঁটিনাটি সেমাঙ্কা সিং মানে এডমিনিস্ট্রেশন ন বাহিকেতে কাহামভাবে চালকনানি যে বুল মানি যে মিস্টেক লাইমানি অমনব সিং কাহাম কেতে তুই দুলি বাহিকেতে নাইথাতক খাই Sini lukurong bagi bahagite bo samung kaham khaiman omono Sini naharmung ebong lukurok bai jehetu sing thanchani phamdai koplaingi chongjak hisabe sing joto protinidhi rongni bo omono smai je sing sobsomai lukurong gana bujai tongnai sukke dukke apode bibode sing bujai tongnai ebong je limited fund mamani bisingtui onek rokom babe besukkai development khaiman education no hundi tuyo hundi tai healthcare hundi bundi rokom babe sing samung klaiman omno Sini naharmung ebong bubagrani leadership ni bisingti bubagrani chaitomung bai ba bubagrani naharmung bai sing Sini tiprasa lukurokni thinang no handi bongni okono handi sing sacha klaini omno Sini process ta tongnai ebong smai tongnai hambai
acha EM rok tan bagai asuk bad baki smart tan tam bagai lerka karon BC election me khaije gya EM bo kore ka kamyam se ro jungjal ho da asai no bomhai wan
omo angkai Sini mia tipromota party ni je rajbari wa maharaja oko virtual tongmani video conferencing tongmani apno kaisa Sini oko jot party as oko je decision na jaka je tabuk chairman CEM te khoraksa executive member chongjangnai ebong o tau village council election pore no je EM tongmane apru chongjane hini kaisa party ni decision na jakamia omo bubagra bo meeting o tongmani bo virtually babe attend tongmani bin chairman sibano mia o meeting.
The meeting marks the official beginning of the new executive's efforts to revitalize the TTAADC and address long-standing regional demands. Zora kedegma na singlai more than 1 hours 2 hours na singman yaglo no tau finally all the MDCs of TTAADC borok governor by meeting khaibani yaglo cox lam salaiman yaglo no tau paithago joto MDCs rok media rok by interaction khaimani yaglo terek khorokso ke joto MDCs thangui tongbayo chung kok khanai makha katal CEM Runiel Debbarma bini kok ni bisingti boko kecharkha TTAADC hapangu katal ke tayusha asukmani 5 years experience engjak TTAADC hapangu asukmani a mistakes rok na sigi a je kemajak tongmarok je tamo development ni samungtup ga chanai a bhai joto samung rok na naikoli tayusha cheri taklai bisini taklai ni oje 5 terms the election borok government form khaimani abno tei borok tebo dalbidal samuna crack sakthar muna wei hapanga achuna bag thangi tong ne chung ben khori khnai manka ani inkulo nugi man khana tabuk bo ayango interaction payakho tabuk 24 MDCs borok faini tab khorokso thangi tongo obhakino khana tewisa noi holo smai tangmani panda hai ke ba te kaiso official event na thangi tongo abo jagao sing Chini Khorang ni team ngai nai tongnai lokorok no joto khapang tak de buksong norno chung kathang awai mong hai ke live broadcasting bikingti chung nong no phongnan bai sing sai togi tongo abon bagai norok tinin bagai asung ting tini ni je meeting mani arun paikha chung tam ke khana tebo chung nong no je significant event na thangi tongmorong chung phongnan sai togi tongo hain bagai no Chini Khorang bai choi kring nai tongdi. Reported by Nelson and Boyer from Agartala, Chini Khorang.